Okay, students, in this segment we'll be looking at algebra, patterns and rules. And we will start off with a general question on patterns and rules. Okay, I would like you to now hit the pause button and have a look at the question. You have to find the general rule for that pattern given. So you got 2 on the top and W down. Okay, have a think about this first before looking at the solution, or try and work it out on your own. Okay, if the T and the W is confusing you, think of the T as the input number and W as the output number. So I'm putting 1. Inputting 1, I'm getting 9. I'm inputting 2, I'm getting 13, etc. Remember, when we are trying to find the rule, we look at consecutive numbers in the input, but we can see the input T is only made up of consecutive numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can choose any 2 consecutive numbers. Okay, right, so now I'm choosing 3 and 4, and then we need to look at what are the W values when T is 3 and T is 4. Okay, now once we've worked out the difference of the W value, 21 minus 17 is 4, we know that the rule is always output is equal to something times the input plus or minus something. Okay, so we can say that the rule is W, which is the output, is equal to, you notice the purple line, which is the difference 4. So it's 4 times T, which is the input, and let's see what we get with that. So to get the output, I have to take 4 times T and I need to add it to some other number. So that's why I've got the question mark. Now we need to figure out what the other number is, and if we can figure that out, then we've done. We have actually found the rule. Okay, now to go about finding the question mark, I can choose W is equal to 17. That would be equal to 4 times whatever value of T. When W is 17, I can see that T is 3 plus a certain number, so I must get 17 on both sides of the equation. That's how I would solve that. So have a look at this working, you'll figure it out when you see it. Alright, I hope you follow the steps, and that's how we get the rule W is equal to 4T plus 5. Now we look at the next question, also on patterns and algebra and patterns and rules, and this is from Algebra worksheet 2, which is on modal. Okay, it's question 3b. So have a look at the question. They want us to complete the formula V is equal to 2U plus something. Now the V is the output and the U is the input. So 2 times U plus something is equal to V. How would you figure this out? Okay, now we can try the first set of values, that is V is equal to 11. If you look at the table, you see that when V is equal to 11, U is equal to 3. So we can substitute this V equal 11 and U equal 3 into the equation. V is equal to 2U plus something. Now I want you to follow the working and follow the arrows to see how the substitution actually works. Great. What we see is that wherever there's V, I can put 11, and wherever there's a 3, wherever there's a U, I can put in a 3. That's what substitution is. Okay? And you can see that on the left hand side of the equation I got 11, and on the right hand side I got 2 times 3, which is 6. I need to plus a certain amount to also get 11. So equation, remember, it must be the same on both sides. So obviously you can see that the blue line will actually be a 5, because 6 plus 5 is going to give me 11. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's great. Now we're done. We can see that the rule is v is equal to 2u plus 5. So I'd like you to practice this a few times. If you need more practice, go back to Algebra worksheet 2 and try other examples using my example, okay? Now, what is finding the rule? What's the big deal about finding the rule? Why is it important? See, once you got the rule, I can actually put in any values for u and I can find the output v. Okay, let's try this. I can take another value. I can take v is equal to 17. If you look at the table, when v is 17, u is 6, and I can try that out.